Wow. Wow.
This is chicken stock. Your mushroom. Just let it cook. Everything in. This much passat. This will go inside of this shell. Close the door for 5 minutes. Yes.